Hello, this is Marwan from Schneider Electric, and today I will explain how sustainable Acti9 Active is. First, do you know Acti9 Active? Acti9 Active is an all-in-one device that will protect you and your installation from short circuit, gas leakage, overload, overvoltage, and arc faults. As you've understood, Acti9 Active is a combination of several devices, and compared to equivalent function in the former offer, this combination contributes fully to resource and energy efficiency. With a compact design of the products, 50% of raw material saved, and a reduced energy consumption by 50%. Acti9 Active participates also actively to the serviceability. With this device, customers have access to data through digitalized services such as Zigbee gateway. Thanks to it, it provides them their energy consumption and a sharper overview on the end of life of their products. Made with halogen-free plastic, Acti9 Active is labeled Green Premium and is RoHS and REACH compliant. And this was Acti9 Active in 60 seconds.